Dear viewers, this is Munimar Roy. Welcome you all to today's video. In this video, I am going to give you an invitation, and the invitation is about another open session of practicing English. In that session, we are going to practice our English efficiency. Hope you will get ready, and the subject is why should we learn English. I hope you will take the preparation so that you can at least express your opinion for up to 2 to 3 minutes, and why you are interested to learn English, especially which things you are thinking for the importance of learning English, in especially why you are interested to learn and improve your all skills in English. So I am waiting for your response tomorrow at 6:30 p.m. As usual, I expect that all of you will participate there and uh, express your opinion so that we can develop and we can be more engaged in learning English. So up to that, stay tuned and please invite your friends and others so that we can have a good communication with others and we can develop ourselves. That's all, and see you tomorrow at 6:30 p.m.